Uh, Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a vlog. It's going to be really fun vlog. We are having a friends meetup after camp. Let's get into the video. If you are not subscribed to Nageshwari's kitchen, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. I'll show dishes that we all made. It's like a potluck, so everybody brought their favorite dishes that they cooked. So this is my chicken with radish, Nepal chicken curry. I tried first time from my garden vegetable radish with chicken. So this is egg that Viji cooked, and this is lamb chukka that I cooked, and this is chicken biryani. It's going to be most of them will be non-veg, and only few recipes is vegetarian. And this is chicken pepper fry, rasam. This is very good for digestion. So because we are having so much of meat, that's why I made rasam. And Pramila bought some fish curry, so she separated the fish so that it will not break while serving. So this is the fish. And I made mint pulao specially for Priya. She is a vegetarian. I made coconut laddu and I made some white rice. And Apsara and Aparna made gobi Manchurian. So this is our starter. So we are serving all the starter and the dessert to everyone. I'll show you what are all the activities that we did.
So I made gobi manchurian, pepper chicken, and fish gravy.
Super. Next, my beauty queen. Yeah.
Hello. Thank you. I made coconut laddu. That's all I could do.
Priya is wearing Indian traditional dress that is sari. It was so gorgeous.
Hello, I made chicken biryani and egg masala.
Super. Your dress is super இருக்கு விஜி. So I made lamb chukka, chicken with radish curry, the Nepal dish, with mint pulao and white rice and rasam.
உங்க ட்ரெஸ் சூப்பரா இருக்கு சூப்பரா இருக்கு ஜிமிக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு
We were all chatting in the backyard. After seeing my garden, they are all very much impressed and they wanted to try more in their garden. And they were asking more tips and tricks that I follow, and I was sharing all my experiences and the failures that I faced all in my gardening. And I was sharing all my experience, and I'm really happy to share these informations to everyone, not only with my friends. I am happy to share my gardening experience, whether it's success or failure, to everyone. That's why I'm posting a few recipe videos and a few gardening videos as well. This meetup was really good, and we just enjoyed. And after camp, we were meeting this meetup is like a meet together. It's a MEAT, meet together. So only non-veg who eat non-veg. So we all gathered, and the Kartika Jay, they were missing because they had some other commitments, so they were not able to join with us. Other than that, we four family and kids, they all enjoyed together. And I wanted to give them some of my vegetables from my garden, so we decided to harvest some for them as well. And I wanted to give them some plants as well so that they can grow in their places. It's good for nature also, and it's good for everyone's health as well. So we meeting with friends and family in always is good. In Australia, in Melbourne, I don't have any family members here. We are what the people who I know is everybody is my friends. So I would like to meet everyone frequently. So I met three families today, my friends, but I have more friends and friends. They are friends, but they are my family members as well. That's how we I treat them, and that's how they treat me as well, like a family member. And Priya, she got two sons, so she love girl babies. Lahitya and Ashni, they always very close to Priya and Shrikant, and she used to give a lot of gifts to them and pampering, too much pampering. So Ashini and Lahiti always they love to chat with Priya, and she mingle with them so well as a kid. She also mingle with both Ashini and Lahitya. So they enjoyed very well, and with Apsara and Parna, they given very good company. Now,
Big ones பாருங்க.
now
ஆமா.
let's that we are going to harvest. So the first vegetable that Priya is harvesting is a radish. I will post a video of how to plant radish from seed till harvesting stage. I will share that video soon. I have taken a complete video of from seed to harvesting, and also I will share each and every steps that you have to follow. And also I have shared many recipes using a radish and also radish leaves. So please don't throw radish leaves. I was telling my friends as well not to throw leaves. So there are a lot of nutritious that contains in radish leaves. So I was telling my friends as well to cook more with radish leaves, and it tastes so good. Always garden vegetable tastes so delicious. Try once, then you will come to know the taste difference that you get from store, and you can differentiate the taste when you grow from your garden and store bought vegetables. You will see difference will be really high. So try to grow more vegetables in your garden. If you are trying different vegetable, please let me know as well, then I can try as well. I will share some of the rare vegetables that we can grow in Melbourne also. I will share that videos in future. I'm trying to grow some of the different vegetables that I have not seen in Melbourne at all. And I'm growing in Melbourne. I will share that definitely with you all, and you all will have an idea what to grow, what not to grow, and what are all the failures that will be you will be facing if you're trying something new. And I will share my experience in my future videos. So these are all the radish that I picked for just one family, and I have given radish for all three families, and I'm going to harvest some. I'm going to pick some bay leaves to them. I want them to try the difference of fresh bay leaves while we cooking biryani or pulao. Priya was surprised of seeing this black color chilies. It's not actually black, it's purplish black color, but the taste of these chilies is different. It's not too spicy, but it is spicy, but not like the normal green chilies. But the taste is really awesome. So I love these chilies. I was trimming some of the bay leaves. You might have noticed I trimmed only a few weeks back my bay leaves. Now it's grown so big again. I have to trim again. So it's I'm always happy to share with my friends, and so my plant also will grow more if you trim more. And also you will feel really happy that you're sharing fresh vegetables and leaves to your friends and family. So share more, and the main thing is grow more. So my friends are also very happy, and they shared their experience of using fresh bay leaves, the difference in their cooking as well. So they enjoyed. So now it's a dinner time, so we kids were enjoying their food, and this is the time that we don't sit with them, they sit together with their friends and they enjoy their food. So we don't have to monitor the kids, so they know what to eat, and they love to eat with their friends. And so we also enjoyed the food. It was so delicious. It's not only, this meetup is not just for food, it's to talk. So sometimes you feel someone, you need to share your um, feelings, or your experiences, or your ideas, so you need someone to share. So this is the thing, that if you meet up your friends, your stress will go off, you need that break. So try to meet more of your friends. This is a quarantine time, so take care as well. So these two boys are so lovely. So Adi, the tallest youngster in our group, and Kaushik, they are so, my Lahitya and Ashini were playing so well with Kaushik, and but he was so sweet and he didn't get angry at all. So he enjoyed with them as well. And Lahitya and Ashini, they both made these hair ties. So they did so many activities, and they decorated as well with those beads. So gents, they were we have two singers here, Natraj and Srikanth. So they were singing more film songs, Tamil film songs, and Srikanth was saying some poetries as well. It was so good.
We are the boys.
So this has become a symbol or something. What, I don't know what to say, but everybody, it's a meme. So everybody was saying, "We are the boys, we are the boys," and girls also started
தட்டு
saying.
காலியா இருக்கு. உப்பு கம்மியா இருக்குப்பா, இப்பதான் போட்டேன் நான் உப்பு. அது மட்டும்தான் நான் காரம் கம்மியா வைக்கிறது.
So she was saying the spicy was little bit less.
சாப்பிட்டாச்சா? சாப்பிட்டாச்சு.
In rasam. So I was asking my son Tanesh about the food, and he will tell the honest review. So I always ask him his feedback. He enjoyed all the food, and he's a foodie, food lover. He loved to eat different food.
கவிதை சொல்லுங்க ப்ளீஸ்.
கவிதை பாடு குயிலே குயிலே இனி வசந்தமே.
பக்கத்துல நடராஜ் இருக்கிறாங்க, பார்த்து பாடுங்க. ஏதாவது சொன்ன சூட்ட பாடும்போது ஏன் வந்து
ஆமா, பாடுங்க பாடுங்க.
இல்ல இந்த பாட்டுல வரும், நான் தூங்கவில்லை கனவுகள் இல்லைன்னு. அதாவது அவர் லவர் வந்து தூங்கிட்டாங்களாம், பட் இவருக்கு தூக்கமே வரலையா. ஸோ தூங்கினா தானே கனவு வரும். அதனால நான் தூங்கவில்லை கனவுகள் இல்லை.
சூப்பர்.
தேங்க்யூ.
நீங்க ஒரு பாட்டு பாடுறீங்களா? ஏதாவது சும்மா ஒரு 4 லைன். யோ ஹிட்ஸ்.
அவங்கள பார்த்து பாடுங்க, நல்ல பாட்டா பாடுங்க. நான் பார்த்ததிலே அவள் ஒரு அழகி என்றேன், நான் கேட்டதிலே அவள் வார்த்தையை தான் ஒரு கவிதை என்பேன், ஒரு கவிதை என்பேன்.
அப்படியே பிரேமா.
இல்ல, நீங்க வெக்கப்படுறத நான் கேப்சர் பண்ணல. ஏங்க நீங்க பாடுங்க.
என்ன பண்ணுவேன் நான் வந்து, நீ பார்த்த பார்வைக்கு ஒரு நன்றி, நம்மை சேர்த்த இரவுக்கு ஒரு நன்றி, அப்புறம் நன்றி நன்றி.
கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க, கண்டினியூ
பாடுங்க, பாடுங்க பாடுங்க. அகலாது இரவு சொல்லும் நன்றி நன்றி உயிரே.
இப்படி ரெண்டு பேரும் ஒண்ணா.
வாய்ஸ் மோட்.
சரி, ஓகே, வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணியாச்சு. சொல்லுங்க.
1 2 3
We are the boys.
it was really fun. Everybody was singing, and they're not professional singers, but Natraj is a professional singer, so he sings really well, very good songs, and Srikanth as well, and my husband tried some songs as well. It was so good, and we all had fun. We all had a good time. We love to meet again and again, not only with these friends, and I have more friends as well. I will try to share more of my experience with my friends, and the food that we prepare. I actually prepare radish chicken dish today. I will share that recipe in my future videos. Because this video itself is taking like 20 minutes, so I don't want to share that in this video. I will share in a next video, or so. So after finishing dinner, so my friends, they all helped me to pack all the food, and we shared all the foods to four families, and Pramila and Priya were helping me to wash all the dishes. So this is the meetup with friends, that they do all the work after finishing the dinner. So it will not be a big hurdle or anything to the family, to or friend, that you go to their place. They will treat as their own family, their own house, and they do all the work. They will finish everything, then only they'll go to their places. So that's so sweet, and you will not feel so tired or anything when you meet with your friends. So I love these families, my friends, and I will share a few more with my other families as well. That's my friends. And Priya, she bought a cake for us, so we all ate mud cake, and we all cleaning the dishes and filling up. And my kids and Aparna and Apsara, they were engaging the kids, and they giving some activities to Lahitya and Ashini. They were doing some painting activities. They did so much painting, reading, and all other stuff. And we all decided to watch some videos of my camping videos. It was released that time, so everybody wants to watch what I did in the video, and everybody wants to recollect the memories from camp. And he's Varun, Priya Srikanth's second son. And Abhi is Ashini's brother. I was asking him how was the food, and he said he enjoyed the food. So the chat with friends, I love that in this meetup, and everybody were really happy. We all shared. The cake was very nice as well. It's not a cheesecake. I don't know what company is that, but it was so tasty. The mud cake. In a competition, can anyone explain?
So me and Ashley are a team, and Apsara and Lahitya are a team. So Lahitya has chosen to draw a word, and if me and Ashley get the word, we get a point, and we keep switching.
Okay.
A
Okay.
dog, a dragon, a donkey. Time's up. A lion. A lion? Yeah. If you guys win every time, so we get a point. What is it?
I will share some of the pictures. We took a lot of pictures with kids, friends, and families. I wanted to share few of them, which was my favorite as well. Um, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please support Nageshwari's Kitchen and meet more friends, and spend your time in a valuable way, and release all your stress.
I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you think so, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video.
Don't
Bye.
forget to hit the bell icon.
Thank you, girls.